Hi children, welcome back to the class. In the previous class, we have learned about divisibility rules. Today, we will learn about factors. Look children, how many balls are here? Count all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls are there. Now, look, how many rows are there? Look, one row. One row. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns. Okay? One row, 6 columns. Okay. I will arrange them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Here, how many rows are there? 1, 2. 2 rows. Columns. 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. Okay? Another pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows. Columns. How many columns? 1 column. 1. Okay? Another pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Here how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. Columns. 1, 2. 2 columns. Okay children? When we observe this, look, 6 can be written as 1 into 6. Next, 6 into 1. Next, 2 into 3. And 3 into 2. In how many ways we can write the 6? Product of two numbers. The product of two numbers are 1 into 6, 6. 6 into 1, 6. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 2, 6. Okay? In these ways we can write 6 like this. Okay children? Okay, 6. 1 and 6 are exactly divides the 6. And from here 2 and 3 are exactly divides the 6. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Sorry. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. Are the factors of 6. Okay children? So, the definition of factor is a number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor of that number. Okay? Look, 5. 1 into 5. 1 and 5 are the factors of 5. Why? These 1 and 5 are the factors. Factors means they divides the 5. Okay? 24. 6 fours are 24. Here 6 divides the 24 and also 4 divides the 24. How many times? 6? 4 times, and the 4 is 6 times. So these two are the factors of 24. Okay? Like that 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So here 2 and 6 are factors of 12. Okay? A number, note down all of you, a number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor of that number. Note down. Look children, number, factors. Number, take 12. 12. 1 into 12. 1 12s are 12. Next, 2 6 are 12. Next, 3. 3 4s are 12. Okay? Next, is there any other factor? No. So, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of 12. The factors are for 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Next, 18. 18. Product of two numbers. First, 1 18s are 1 into 18, 18. Next, 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Next, 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. Next, 4. No number is there. Okay. So, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Next, for 20. For 20, 1 into 20. 1 20s are. Next, 2 into 10. 2 10s are 20. Next, 3. No. 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. So, the factors. Yes. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Okay. Next, 24. Okay. Are you writing or not? 1 into 24. Next, 2 12s are 24. Next, 3 8s are 24. Next, 4 6 are 24. Okay. Is there any other factors? No. So, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Okay. From this, what is our observation is, look here, observe, look, for every number, what are the common factor? Look, 1 is the common factor. Take 5 also. What are the factors of 5? 1, 5. Take 13. What are the factors? 1 13s are 13. No other factor is there. So, when we observe this, what is the common factor? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So, 1 is the factor for every number. Okay? Next, observe another thing. Look here, 12. 12 is there. And next, the factor. Look, 12 is the factor. That means itself. The number itself is a factor. Okay? And next here, 18. 1 is the factor and 18 itself is a factor. 20. 1, 20. 24. 1, 24. 5. 1 is common factor and 5 itself is a factor. 13. 13 itself is a factor. Okay? Let us note some points about this. Okay, children? Okay, children? Look. 1 is a factor of every number and is the smallest of all factors. Okay? From the previous one. Look. For every number 1 is the common factor and the 1 is the smallest of all factors. Next one. Every number is a factor of itself. Already I told you. For every number itself is a factor and it is the greatest factor. The number itself is a factor and that is the greatest factor. 1 is the smallest factor. Next, third one. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Look, for 17, the factors are 1 and 17. Look here, 1 is less than 17 and 17 is equal to 17. So, the every factor is less than, okay, or equal to the given number. Next, fourth one. Number of factors of a given number are countable. For 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. For 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And take another more examples. What is the result? The factors are countable. They are not uncountable. Okay? So, number of factors. These number of factors are, for 6, there are 4 factors. And for 12, 6 factors. And for every number, the number of factors are countable only. Note down all of you, children. Note these points. Our next topic, prime and composite numbers. Look, children. First we are taking the numbers and find the factors and count the number of factors. First one, 1. For 1, what are the factors? 1 is a factor. So, count the number of factors. How many factors? Only 1. For 2, what are the factors? 1, comma, itself, 2. Count the factors. 1, 2. Number of factors are 2 factors. Next, 3. What are the factors? 1, 3 itself. So count 1, 2. 2 factors. Next for 4. 1, 2, 4. Count down. 1, 2, 3. 3 factors. Next for 5. 1, 5. How many factors? 2 factors. 6. What are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors are there. Number of factors? 4 factors. For 6, there are 4 factors. 7. 1, 7. How many factors? 2 factors. Okay? From this table, observe all of you. 1. 1 is a factor. So for 1, there is only one factor, that is also itself only. Next for 2. How many factors? Number of factors are 2. For 3, number of factors 2. 5, 2 factors. For 4, the factor 1 and the factor itself. Another factor is also there. For some numbers, there are factors 1 and itself. It means only 2 factors. And for some numbers, there are two more factors are there. Okay, children? Look, from this table, for 4, 3 factors, and for 6, 4 factors. But for 2, 3, 5, 6, there are only 2 factors. That 2 factors is 1 and itself. So these 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. These numbers are called prime numbers. The numbers that are containing 1 and the factor itself are the factors. Then the numbers are called prime numbers, and the numbers that are having two more factors are called composite numbers. Okay, children? The definition of prime numbers: the numbers which have factors 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. What are the examples for prime numbers? Examples: 2. 2 have 1 and itself only the factors. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. They are the prime numbers. Next, the second one, composite numbers. Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. What are the examples? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, so on. These are the composite numbers. For 4, there are 3 factors. 6, 4 factors. These numbers are having more than 2 factors, and these numbers are having only 2 factors. That's why these are prime numbers. These are having more than 2 factors. That's why these are composite numbers. Note down. 1 have only 1 factor. That factor is itself. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. This is very, very important. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay children? What are the examples for prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, like that. Okay? We can find the prime numbers very easily by this method. Look children, from 1 to 100, the Greek mathematician Eratosthenes, he is from 3rd century BC and he invented this method, and we can find the prime numbers from 1 to 100 very easily. What is the method is? Look, 1 is not a prime and it is not a composite number. So, encircle 1. Okay. Next, you already know the 2 is a prime number. So, encircle this one also. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. Up to 10 we can easily find the prime numbers. Now, what should we have to do is cross out the multiples of 2. That means 2 ones are 2. Okay? 2 is a prime number. Already we encircled this. 2 2s are 4. Cross out. Next, 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Like that, cross out all the multiples of 2 up to 100. Like this. Do children. 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Like that, do up to 100. And next, the multiples of 3. 3 2s are 6. Already it is crossed out. Next, 2, 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. 3 11s are 33. 3 12s are 36. 3 13s are 39. Like that, cross out all the multiples of 3. Next, multiples of 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. Like that, we can cross out all the multiples of 5. Here, tens. Okay, here the multiples of 2. The ones place 2. They are the multiples of 2. And the ones place 4. Units place 4. Units place 6. They are the multiples of 2. That's why cross out all of them. Okay. Next, 7. 7 ones are 7. So 7 is a prime number because 1 and 7 are factors. 7 2s are 14. Next, 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. Like that, check up to 100. All of you do this method to find the prime numbers up to 1 to 100. Okay children, this method is given by Eratosthenes, a Greek mathematician. Do children, all of you? Okay, when you cross out all the composite numbers, okay, these are the remaining numbers. 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. So don't count 1. Next 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 37, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are the prime numbers up to 100. From 1 to 100, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Total how many prime numbers are there? From 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. Okay, children? Totally 25 prime numbers are there. Note down. Next assignment. First one. Find the factors of 80. You know 80. 1 80s are. Next check with 2 and check with 3. Next 4. Next 5. Like that. Find the factors of 80. Second one. What is the smallest prime number? I already told in the class. Okay, revise that. Smallest composite number. Third one. Smallest odd composite number. Look here. Here smallest composite number. And here is the smallest odd composite number. You know the odd numbers and even numbers. Okay. Like that. These are the two various questions. Find them. Third question. Give 5 odd composite numbers and 5 even composite numbers. Okay, you have to write 5 odd composite numbers and 5 even composite numbers. Next one. Write the prime numbers between 50 to 100. You already know the method of Eratosthenes. Finding prime numbers very easily. Okay? Draw a table. Write the numbers from 50 to 100 and cross out the multiples of 2 and multiples of 3, multiples of 4, like that. Okay? Cross out them. And you can find the prime numbers very easily. All of you do it. And the fifth one is 15th table up to 20 steps. Top to bottom and from bottom to top. Okay children, do the assignment and we will meet in the next class.